the Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 10. Presented by Reliance Jio. Powered by RP Sanjeev Goenka Group, Ravin and Kentaro. In style partner, Raymond.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. While Sonia Gandhi's native land, Italy, tests 6.7 persons for one positive test, India's rate is 24 tests for one positive test. But Sonia's son, Rahul Gandhi, and the rest of the Vadra family thinks that we are not testing enough. He also thinks that the lockdown is not the solution to fight COVID. I really wonder whether this 51-year-old adolescent has any other measure which will not take us the Italy way. Tonight, before we debate, here is a fact check for the Vadra family.
To contain the spread of coronavirus, the government has extended the lockdown till the 3rd of May. A decision taken by the Prime Minister after there was consensus from Chief Ministers. Today, on day 2 of the second phase of the national lockdown, Vadra Congress fielded Rahul Gandhi to address the media.
मैं नरेंद्र मोदी जी से बहुत चीज़ों में डिसएग्री करता हूं, मगर आज लड़ने का टाइम नहीं है। आज देश के साथ देश को एक करके वायरस से लड़ने का टाइम है।
So the 49-year-old former Congress president's unsolicited advice is lockdown is not the solution.
Now, the first thing to understand is that a lockdown is like a pause button. A lockdown is in no way a solution to the COVID virus. It is as if you've hit pause and stopped the virus in its tracks until the lockdown.
Interestingly, in the land where his mother Sonia Gandhi was born, the Italian government, which has been criticized for its too little too late action, even it has decided to extend the lockdown till the 3rd of May. Now, Mr. Gandhi believes India's testing strategy is not right. No wonder he used the word testing 52 times and the word strategy 32 times in his 56-minute virtual press briefing.
One advice to the government, and this is something that I've said and we've been saying, push testing aggressively, maximize testing, and use testing strategically. Use testing to assist the states in their fight. Use testing not simply to track patients who are infected, but to create a map of India to see where the virus is moving, identify hotspots using testing.
But here are some facts about India's testing strategy. India has tested over 290,000 samples. Our testing to positive conversion rate is less than 5%. When compared to countries like Japan, where for every 11.7 tests, one person tests positive, Italy, where for every 6.7 tests, one person tests positive, USA, where for every 5.3 tests, one tests positive, UK, where for every 3.4 tests, one person tests positive. In India, after 23 people test negative, one person tests positive for the virus.
अगर हम देखें कि दूसरे देशों की तुलना में हमारे यहाँ अगर 24 पेशेंट को हमने टेस्ट किया, 24 सिम्टोमेटिक लोगों को टेस्ट किया, तब जाकर हमारे को एक पॉजिटिव मिला, तो इट इज़ ए क्लियर इंडिकेशन कि हमारे देश में बिकॉज ऑफ द एक्शन टेकन बाय गवर्नमेंट, एडवांस एक्शन प्राइमरीली, हम लोग कुछ हद तक इसको कंटेन कर पाए हैं.
Now let's talk about Mahe in Congress-ruled Puducherry, India's first district, which went from being a red zone to a green zone. How did it achieve this success? Or Bhilwara for that matter, which follow ruthless containment strategies to break the chain of the virus. Did lockdown not have a role to play?
If government would not have taken those measures, so influx would have continued. But once we have had the lockdown, then our populations were stabilized in respective areas, then it became much easier to monitor and to give attention to the areas which actually needed the attention. So in that way, lockdown was a real help.
This graph describes how India is battling COVID. While it took countries like US and Germany 2 days to double its numbers, in India it took 6 days to reach the 12,000 mark.
We did impose a curfew, but despite the curfew imposition, the number of infections kept rising. And that's when it was decided that we have to have a super curfew and a ruthless containment of all movement. I mean, if you have vehicles coming in and out, and sadly, all of us tend to use influence, or I know somebody, I'll get a pass, I'll move around. It breaks the sanctity of the curfew. So if you have to have a ruthless containment where nobody can move, no vehicular movement, no individuals moving around, we screened the entire city 3 times. 6,000 people were isolated because they were showing symptoms of influenza-like situations.
Lockdown critics like Rahul Gandhi must know this happened only and only because of a lockdown. Let's debate.
Okay, so Rahul Gandhi went on a rant against the lockdown. So does he want us to lift the lockdown? What is his ingenious solution? I wonder. I'd like to first go to Professor Sanjeev Kumar, who is...
He never said lift the lockdown.
Pardon me?
I said Arnab Goswami, he never said lift the lockdown. He said lockdown is not sufficient.
He said, yeah, that's what he's saying, that lockdown is not sufficient. Lockdown does not defeat the virus. That virus will win, lockdown will lose. So then I want to know, what is the solution?
It is helping in containing the virus.
No, but he says that it will not defeat the virus.
Solution is you increase the testing. He's saying
it will only be a little pause for a while and then it will come back. So since he is so convinced that the lockdown will be ineffective, what is his solution?
Okay.
What is his solution? Didn't hear a reply from you. What is his solution?
I said, what wrong he said the lockdown is good, it is not sufficient, you have to increase the testing in India.
No, he has said...
Suppose if you tomorrow, after 3rd May, you lift the lockdown, again you will have the same problem if your testing is not there.
He should dial Italy, his mother's native land, and speak to
Why he should dial Italy? Why you always talk like this? He is a respectable member of Parliament of India. He's a leader of Congress party.
Because the land of his mother's origin...
Why can't we have a bipartisan role in India?
Has been through this all and has finally realized that only the lockdown has any effect on the present situation.
The Indian media is becoming two-faced.
Lockdown
when
is good.
Indian
it is good.
is trying to contest election abroad, there's a huge wow cry about it, right? But again, you bring in Sonia Gandhi and her land. Her land is now, you have to understand one thing, this is the land.
I'm showing the graph of her land. I'm showing the graph of her land and I'm showing the graph of my land. What wrong am I doing?
This is also her land, Arnab, now. It is her land. Even now, she belongs to this land, not to Italy.
I have not made any factually inaccurate observations. I've said her native land is Italy. Her native land is Italy. And her son says that lockdown is not going to solve the problem. And what he's saying, which I think he's aspiring for, he's hoping for. Allow me to bring in everyone into the debate.
Will not solve the problem
Mr. Roach,
until you increase the number of tests.
Mr. Roach, we have time. What he has said is, lockdown cannot solve the problem. It is only postponing the situation. Now at this time, when everyone's going all out to try and motivate, when the Prime Minister speaks about motivating people, he tells people things to do, he's encouraging people to believe that we can win.
Yes,
the question is, I'd like Smita to come in. The question is, why is he working so hard to demotivate people?
Those are things what you have to do. Are you doing the number of tests?
He is not demotivating. He is suggesting the government.
Where is the PM Care Fund going? I would like to know. There is no control of the PM Care Fund.
You want some money? You want some money from the fund?
Today you are coming up with a statement stating that
May I speak?
the tests that are done, yes, the tests are not sufficient.
Provide money to the
we
state.
have to have more number of
to us.
tests.
I tell you, viewers,
And
I
even
get
say
so
it now, Arnab,
exasperated sometimes
May
with
3rd
these
is
people
not a deadline.
who don't
We
have a
have to
solution,
continue
but who
till
only
June.
crib and crib and crib. But I shall bring them in. But I shall also, I think I'd like Smita to have an opening remark on the other side, and then I'll open up the debate. I'll be very factual tonight. Yes,
Nothing to
Smita.
crib about, Arnab.
Yes,
Nothing to crib
Smita.
about. It's the fact. You are not having the sufficient number of tests being done.
Yeah, so I found the
So let us increase the
press
number of
conference
tests.
pretty interesting. As a journalist,
No,
I
still-
appreciate
no,
any
still-
politician holding a press conference. Even though he's not officially the president of the Congress party, he's de facto heir apparent. So I guess you can say that, he is de facto president of the party, and his voice is that of the Congress party. And of course, one can campaign in poetry, but one has to govern in prose. So one really doesn't know that if he actually comes to a position of power, whether he can deal with these kind of crises, nobody really knows, because he's never held a position of any administrative position ever in his life. So one really doesn't know. He gives a lot of gyan, but what will he do if he's actually in a position? One really doesn't know. What I found
need not to be
disappointing
Congress
is that he
president
did
to
not
suggest the
attack.
government.
He did not say anything about the attack on doctors. He didn't speak about the Markaz issue.
today
What
he's
he
not-
did
yeah,
say
please
about the
understand.
lockdown, which
Even-
I'll
even
just come to
a
that, sir.
normal
You
person
talked
can
about the
understand
lockdown. When he spoke about the lockdown being on a pause mode, he's apparently not in consultation
not
with his
aware.
own chief
You-
minister.
Yes, you are
He's
not
obviously
aware
not
what
spoken
time
to
you are
Mr.
about
Chidambaram,
today.
who actually said about the lockdown even before Mr. Modi said that there should be a lockdown. He's not spoken to Sachin Pilot. He's not talked about the Bhilwara model. He didn't talk to Amrinder Singh. He didn't talk to Uddhav Thackeray, who announced lockdown continuation even before Mr. Modi announced lockdown continuation. So, when he talks about lockdown not being a solution, he doesn't understand that Kerala achieved almost a flattening of the curve. Bhilwara model achieved almost a flattening of the curve thanks to the lockdown. The chief ministers of these states are on the page with the prime minister. So I don't understand how Mr. Rahul Gandhi says that it is top down and not bottoms up. It is actually from the chief ministers that the idea has percolated.
Everyone is
and
with the
come
prime minister.
upwards
Let me tell you that.
into the center making the
Everyone
decisions.
is with the prime minister. You cannot say that nobody is against the prime minister.
Sir,
We are with the prime minister.
You didn't
and
hear
we are
Mr.
together
Rahul
with him
Gandhi.
on this fight.
He said that this is a top-driven idea. You obviously didn't listen to the press conference. In the press conference, Rahul Gandhi said that this was a top-down idea. And
Why? How
he
many
should,
tests have
the
been
prime
done?
minister should
India
consult
must
the chief
increase
minister
only
and the
two
district
people are
magistrates.
taken
He
into
said that
protest.
himself,
And
that it
what
was
was
a
that?
top-down idea.
Yeah,
And now you're telling me that it was chief minister's idea?
Only
Sir, you are obviously not listening to what Mr. Rahul Gandhi said.
Lockdown. You are misquoting him. Madam, you are misquoting. He is not against lockdown. He is not
He
saying
said it
lifting
will not work.
You lift the lockdown.
He said it will not
He
work.
has simply suggested the government of
He has
India
said it will
that
not
he must
work.
increase
He has
testing
said it will
capacity.
not work. And may I please, before Smita comes back
No,
to the
he
debate.
has never said. He has never said.
He has said it
He
will
has
not
said
work.
It is not
He
the
said it's a
solution.
pause button.
It is not the solution to contain the virus.
The situation is only being postponed. And all of this which he has said is completely contrary to what the WHO is saying, which says that India's response is comprehensive and robust. He says that the number of
WHO
cases
said
will
that by
increase
staying
after the
at
lockdown.
home, the
It's
corona
almost
will
as
run
if
away from the country.
if I was to read the mind of this intellectually challenged individual,
Let us be open
if I
enough.
was trying to read the mind of this intellectually
We are
challenged
lying to the
individual,
world.
it
And
would
we lie
it
to
would
the
appear
nation,
to
we
me
lie to
that the
people
individual is hoping that the situation gets worse in India. Now let me come to the specific instance about testing. Shall we debate that, please?
If he is suggesting the government of India, if he is giving his advice, it is for the government of India
Absolutely
and its
it
medical
is.
team to assess it or not to assess it. What wrong he said?
Absolutely it is. Now without responding to you, I wish to make a particular point. So you are telling me, Mr. Roach, let me come to you.
Sure.
I'm understanding your concern. What you're basically saying is that we are not testing enough. And your concern is that America, UK, other countries are testing much more than India is. That is the basic point, right? That's the point you're making, right?
Yeah.
Correct, right? Okay, thank you. You won't change your position,
Yes
right?
or no? Yes.
You will not
That's
change
what
your
we are
position.
saying.
Right? You're basically
We are saying, you look at the ratio of number of people getting infected.
Yeah. 1 minute.
And what
Hey,
are we
listen.
doing then? Are we
1
doing so many
minute.
tests?
1 minute. 1
You
minute.
have
Roach,
one-
1 minute. Roach, 1 minute. You just told me that your concern is, like Rahul Gandhi, that we are not testing enough. Smita, I'm just coming to you, Smita. That we are not testing enough. America, UK, all these countries are testing much more.
Not like Rahul Gandhi, like many people in the
Like many
country.
people. Now I have the pleasure of informing you. And please listen to me carefully, and Smita, everyone's on right now. I need to inform you. I need to educate you. I need to make you literate. I need to make you open your closed eyes.
Yes.
First of all, listen now.
And in the-
Next
enhance our
15 seconds is your
Yes,
personal
we need to
education.
open it up. Now, please open
Yeah,
it. We need to
Roach,
open the eyes of
you know,
everyone
you
here
speak
also
so
now.
fast, you sound like a ventriloquist gone crazy. Listen to me. You know something, and this I'm telling you, the total tests done by India when we crossed 5,000 was much more than that done by America, UK or Italy at that phase. The total number of tests done by India when we crossed 10,000 is also much more than the tests ever done by America or UK at such a phase. Do you get it? 3.02 lakh samples. Do you get it?
Not live in clusters the way we live.
Population of
Please
America.
understand.
Oh God, I have told
The
you.
way we live in
No, no.
clusters,
And the
Americans
population
not
of India.
live.
What is new
And the
that
standard
has
the way
been
Americans live, we do not
debated in
live.
the sense that basically
Professor
when
Sanjeev
all the
Kumar is
hotspots-
coming on. Yes,
What the
Professor.
US is doing.
all the hotspots have
Please
been already
understand that.
identified. Tests
Professor
have been
Sanjeev
done,
Kumar
and
is
we have done
responding.
far,
India.
far better than the
India.
United States. It's just reiterating the point rather than getting into rhetoric that the government should do more testing, which the government is already undertaking. And the lockdown, we are the most successful country which has undertaken this exercise actually. And even I don't call this as a ruthless exercise. Even the government is calling it as ruthless. I call it as the best humanitarian intervention within the cartography of a country, rather, which the government has the primary responsibility of actually security of the individuals. Security of a country does not just mean that we need to actually, guard against external threats or something like that. This is one of the major security crisis which the world has actually ever seen, at least in our generation. So obviously the government has very deftly moved its actions, and rather than debating already what the government has done, all the civil society can come forward. There has been so many platforms where the Prime Minister and the government is receiving suggestions. So rather than just, completely engaging in rhetoric that, you should do more testing, which the government is already doing, or the lockdown is a temporary exercise, it's not a temporary exercise. It's a concrete exercise.
Tanveer.
Otherwise, we would have
the
reached.
gentleman
Recently,
who's
there was a data.
speaking-
It was almost reaching a 2
I think the
million
gentleman
figure.
who's speaking
That's Professor
didn't hear
Sanjeev
Rahul
Kumar of
Gandhi's-
Delhi University.
I don't think the
Tanveer.
gentleman.
Till now, we are.
Yes, Tanveer.
Yes, Mr. Professor. Actually,
yeah.
Rahul Gandhi was suggesting, cooperating, coordinating, discussing, deliberating, and telling, I am going to stand with the government. I think you can't really be choosy. Rahul Gandhi said that let us have maximum testing. He said lockdown should be there, but it is not the permanent solution. That is what the world is speaking about. And second thing, he spoke about farmers. I am sure you didn't hear about it. He spoke about how to take care of the labor's situation. I'm sure you didn't really hear that. Rahul Gandhi, absolutely. See, I have ideological differences with Rahul Gandhi. Still, I think the press conference was very comprehensive in nature. He has certain challenges.
What are the
He's
challenges?
not a good
No, what do you
communicator.
mean by he has
Otherwise,
certain
he
challenges? His
communicated
intellectual
in his
challenges
own
are none of
style.
my concern.
Basically-
And you're saying that he has challenges. 1 minute. No. His intellectual challenges are his concern. My question to you is to repeatedly say, Smita is on. 1 minute. To repeatedly say that we are not testing enough is something which has to be looked at. And I'm
What are
picking
the
on.
challenges, Tanveer?
Yeah, he says
Arnab, he
intellectual
has
challenges.
only
He
given
means.
constructive suggestions.
He means he has certain problems.
What are the challenges he's had? He's had such a cushy life.
He cannot
He's
communicate
never
like
had
you. He
to
cannot talk
battle
like you.
anything in his life.
He cannot talk like you.
Power without responsibility
Other
for
than
years
that,
on end.
I think he was intellectual enough. He was considerating enough. He was compassionate. He was informative. He was absolutely
No,
giving
my
every
question is,
bit of
thank you.
information which is
I'm
needed
sure you'll
for
get a
the
place in the
to
Congress
act
party.
to ensure that India
My
fights
question
corona.
to you, Tanveer, is Tanveer, Smita is responding. One second. Smita, I just want to get on this point of testing, and I want to really get into it.
No, I agree with all that he's saying, that he is compassionate and all that, but what are the challenges?
We don't need his compassion. The question is about testing. So I'm nailing the issue on testing. Muralidharan, I want you in the debate. Muralidharan can debate, RP can debate. 1 second. I'd like RP Singh to come in. One point I want to make on testing before RP comes in. The Vadra family says that India is not testing enough. Viewers, the figure is that in India, for every 24
Gandhi
people
family.
tested, the Vadra family, there was only one Gandhi in this country.
Gandhi
Always
family.
remember that. There was only one Gandhi in this family, in this country.
Sorry, Arnab Goswami, you are using slanderous remarks. Sorry.
I am not
They are
using
the
a slanderous
respectable member
remark.
of
There is,
parliament.
you are using the title Gandhi for political benefit.
member of
In that
parliament.
case,
Rahul Gandhi,
if you are using the
Gandhi.
title Gandhi for political benefit,
we don't
I
need
want
any
the country to
political
remember
benefit. As a
the good
political
work done by
benefit,
Firoz Gandhi, which is never mentioned by any member of this
well
Gandhi
enough in my
family.
professional life.
What was the contribution of Firoz Gandhi, who never got along with Jawaharlal Nehru?
Gandhi.
I don't want to get into that. My question here is, he spoke about testing. I don't want to get into the Gandhi family issue. The Gandhi, 1 minute, about testing in India today, Tanveer and RP will debate. For every 24 people tested, there is one positive case. In Japan, 11.7 people tested, one positive case. In the US, today, Tanveer, RP, 5.3 people have to be tested, and in UK, 3.4 people have to be tested for one positive case. Second point, if I don't get any new stocks of tests coming in, today I have stocks for 6 weeks, even if nothing comes in, right? ICMR has issued advisories for pool testing to increase screening. If you weren't doing enough tests, then why would you do that? The only state where not enough tests are happening is, by the way, West Bengal, where for some reason Mamta does not want to allow testing. One more point I want to tell you. We have a doubling rate where cases went from 750 to 1,500 in 4 days. In America, it takes 2 days. In Italy, it takes 2 days. In Spain, it takes 1 day. Does the Vadra family know that to touch 12,000 cases from 6,000, we took 6 days? Now, you won't like my saying it, but Sonia Gandhi's native land took 2 days. So, without knowing the facts and figures, you should really not demotivate the people of this country. RP is on the debate. RP.
Well, the problem is that man is unaware of the facts and is not updated. I mean, strategically, he has failed to address the dynamics of the crisis. I underline strategically and dynamics of the crisis, also fulfilled to as a leader of the testing conditions of the leader of the opposition. And that's the problem. I mean, if you go through his complete address, what are the words? Strategy, strategical strategy, dynamics, testing, and man has
Exactly.
lockdown.
Strategy is needed.
Sir,
for every problem,
sir, what
Mr.
strategy?
RP Singh,
Could
strategy
you
is
give one
needed.
solution?
If at
Could
all
you
you
give-
don't know how to
could you give one
strategize,
solution?
that's absolutely
Could
the
you give
problem.
one answer?
Strategy is
He's
absolutely
not updated.
needed. You
Man
have
is
the
not
problem with
aware.
the word,
He's not
or
in
you
touch
have
with
the
his chief
problem with the
minister.
suggestion.
He's in touch
You tell
with
me.
Punjab chief minister.
You
He's
tell
in
me you
touch
have
with
a problem with the word or suggestion.
He's in touch with Rajasthan chief minister. Man is not in touch with his chief minister. He doesn't know what his chief ministers are saying, what his party is saying, what Mr. Chidambaram was saying. What strategy you are talking
Rahul
about? He's not
Gandhi
clear.
spoke about farmers.
No,
you
one
have
sec,
not
one sec,
provided
one
any
minute, one minute.
solution to
The
farmers.
question is,
What is the solution for the mango growers of this country?
Tanveer, a minute. Tanveer, there are two issues here. When you say we've not done enough testing, and I'm responding factually to that, and the second point is that you've said lockdown will not work. Now,
I don't think Mr.
Tanveer,
RP Singh has done
may I
his
question you on one point?
Please do your homework, sir.
Tanveer, when
Yes, sir.
Tanveer,
Yes, sir.
just a minute. Just a minute.
So don't tell us we have done homework and worse. It's not
may I know people are, I know, RP, I know people are angry. I give you 2 examples. 3 states. The biggest liability in this party is Rahul Gandhi and the Vadra family. Let's take the case of Bhilwara. Bhilwara, which was implemented not by Rahul Gandhi but by Sachin Pilot. It must be emphasized. This interloper Vadra family may try to take the credit for this interloper Vadra family may try to take the credit for Sachin Pilot's work, but the whole country knows that the Bhilwara model, which mummy said my son invented, was based on the ruthless implementation of the complete lockdown by Sachin Pilot, and even the passes for the media and NGOs were revoked. Was Bhilwara not lockdown? Muralidharan, let's be very specific on it, right? Now, second case, closer to where you are in Chennai today, Puducherry. Puducherry, this very strong lockdown ensured that Mahe in Puducherry has not seen any new case for 28 days. I compliment the people of Puducherry and Mahe today. We're so proud of them. That was lockdown. What do you mean there's no solution? If you attack and control, it works. It has worked in China, it will work in India. But thank God there wasn't a Vadra family in China. Muralidharan, I think we need to keep going on about this. And you can smile, don't worry. You won't be sacked by the JDS for smiling when I said that, though it's no laughing matter. The question is, Muralidharan, will Rahul Gandhi say lockdown didn't work in Puducherry Congress government or in Bhilwara Congress government? Will he say that? No. Muralidharan.
Arnab, Rahul Gandhi is asking
the problem is, Arnab, this is not the point. The point is, the anti-Modi gang lost the plot. They have nothing to complain now. So they cooked up this not enough testing story. In fact, one of the couch doctors from Chennai, who used to be very popular on other media earlier.
Just hear Muralidharan make your point.
Who started this not enough testing mantra. Now from there they picked it up and they started multiplying it. Now we have to educate Mr. Rahul Gandhi. What is this all about? The testing is all about. First of all, we have to tell him. We have to talk about France. We have to talk about Italy. We have to talk about Brazil. Add up all these countries together, including UK, including US. Still, it's only 100 crores. It's not even 130 crores. This is a country of 130 crores. You cannot possibly test as fast as those small countries. They are much more developed. So the Modi and Mr. Modi and his team worked around the problem so smartly, and he said, lockdown. So once you're locked down, you're at home, you're not spreading the virus on the road. So it becomes easier for the medical staff to pick you from your house and quarantine you and treat you. So this is the mantra which is worked. This is what the WHO is shocked about. The US, the Italy, the Spain,
what are you saying?
These countries
Please
have
translate.
failed. Sir, where India has passed the test. India is like a lighthouse showing the light to the entire world today, my friend. First admit that.
We all know what is India, we all love India, we all love India much more than you. But give us solution. Tell us the solution after lockdown.
Only if you have symptoms.
Tell us the solution after lockdown.
Why should be tested?
Do you have any data statistics about?
You got tested. Once upon a time,
do you have any data and statistics about economy? No. Do you have any data and statistics about what is going on?
I believe in the lockdown.
The agriculture.
I believe in the lockdown, and I'll give you a perfect reply to all that. By the way, Mr. Roach, I invite you back to the debate, and you are debating with Smita, but please don't jump the gun, right? I haven't told you to get off the track yet. I have a question for you, and please answer in as brief as possible by you. What happened in Wayanad? In Wayanad, his own constituency where Rahul Gandhi doesn't know anything about, 1 minute, I'll tell you. Because of the lockdown, Wayanad has not seen a significant rise in cases. And these, please understand, this is very interesting.
What I'm telling you, Arnab.
So how does lockdown not work?
Because of the lockdown. and nobody is denying about the lockdown. We
Again,
are
you're
saying
changing your
we
line.
need a lockdown,
Okay, Smita.
Mr. Goswami.
So, Arnab Goswami,
We are
again
saying
you
we
are
need a
distorting
lockdown.
it.
But to the lockdown, the same thing, you have to increase the
You're
The thing is
confused.
that Mr. Gandhi has said, not, Mr. Roach, may I now get
not
in?
sufficient tests are happening.
Mr. Roach, may I just speak, please? You know, Mr. Gandhi had said that it's one size doesn't fit all. And if I may use his own words, the fact is that one size doesn't fit all, which is why India cannot be like Italy or India cannot be like Japan or Korea or US. We have to find a solution for ourselves. We have limited resources, and as per the limited resources, till we could get our kits, our PPEs and everything in order, the lockdown was necessary. Now there will be a dynamic lockdown, a slow return to work, but by now the PPEs are coming in, the testing kits are coming in, and then now the testing will be done. And if you listen to the ICMR briefings every day, they explain to you, and just now Arnab gave you the statistics as to why we are able to do the testing right now as much as we can and get the optimum results. Yes, of course, the ideal situation will be in every lockdown area we do testing, but we don't have the resources. So the existing resources have to be optimized.
Those are the government.
No, if I were to tell you, Mr. Roach, listen. All of us don't need to get tested. 1 minute, please, Mr. Roach. 1 minute, Mr. Roach. I'll tell you one thing, okay? Now, you know there are corporate lobbies. And certain corporate lobbies want us to get 135 crore hazmat suits so that every Indian citizen walks around with a hazmat suit. But do we need to do that? No. Do you need to get tested? Fortunately not. But I can turn around and say, why is Roach not been tested? If he's not tested, it's not enough testing. Listen, there are statistics and figures and reasons. Well, the larger point I want to make, and I hope you hear me on this, and I want Sanjeev to come in on this. You see, I think he's a political scientist, he'll understand. I think this was a great opportunity.
There are 78 to 90
Sir, Roach, please, Roach, please.
Okay, 78 to 90
Roach, there was an opportunity for all political parties in our country to rise above politics and unite as a nation. It was a moment which would have been historical. It was a chance to say India will be the priority. You know, in January, opposition leader in Sri Lanka, Sajith Premadasa, released a statement saying, I offer to take responsibility along with the government to combat this. In South Korea, the opposition party is working with the president. In Bhutan, they are working together. In UK, Labour Party announced the postponement of an event where a party was set to unveil an opposition leader to Jeremy Corbyn to a later date. They are cooperating. In Japan, Shinzo Abe worked with the opposition leaders. It's only in India where you have an illiterate who comes and says there's not enough testing happening. And who says the lockdown will not work. This is exactly what is counterproductive. Sanjeev,
come on. We need to actually realize that this is a moment of, as I said, a grave national security crisis. You know, as I said, security issues cannot just be defined in terms of traditional issues. As I said, there's a war or insurgency or something like that. This is a national security crisis. We are having one of the greatest threats of national security, and this is the time that all the political parties come together and give a helping hand to the government. Of course, suggestions are very much welcome, but what I feel is those suggestions should not be laid down with the camouflage of political rhetoric.
Absolutely.
Now, the problem is constructive criticism is one of the most important aspects of any democracy.
Gandhi criticized the government, sir.
The lockdown will not work, he said. The problem will become bigger later. That's what he says. You think that's not criticism? You're not doing enough testing at all. That's not criticism. What is it? Please. If you want to couch that and say it's not criticism, I think criticism is welcome. But uninformed criticism makes no sense.
The problem is going to be contained now.
You want to prey on a sense of cynicism among people in India? If people in India were cynical, we wouldn't be about to flatten the curve. I repeat, and ladies and gentlemen, as I go to my next debate, I say, we are about to flatten the curve. In my view, it will take anywhere between 10 days to 2 weeks. You will see the trend. Then we'll talk to Mr. Gandhi and the Vadra family a little more sternly.